Welcome to Digital Growth Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Facebook to Shopify, set up your metapixel, and automatically create a product catalog. These steps are extremely important because they allow you to track customer behavior accurately, run high-performing ads, and sync your products directly from Shopify to Facebook and Instagram shops. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify account. At the top of your dashboard, use the search bar and type Facebook and Instagram. This is the official Meta app. Click Install. Once installed, click Connect Account. A Facebook login pop-up will appear. Log in and allow access. This permission is important so Shopify can send product data, events, and tracking information to Meta. Next, click Get Started to connect your business manager. Select your business manager from the list. If you don't have one, select Create New Business Portfolio. Now scroll down to Data Sharing. You will see three options: Conservative, Enhanced, and Maximum. Here's what they mean. Conservative tracks only basic customer data and events, limited optimization. Enhanced tracks extra events using browser and Facebook tools, better optimization. Maximum, recommended, tracks the most customer events using both browser and server-side tracking with advanced matching. This option gives you stronger reporting accuracy and helps Facebook optimize your ads better. Choose Maximum, then click Save. Now connect your dataset or pixel. Select your existing pixel from the list. If you don't have one yet, click Create Metapixel, then click Confirm, and finally click Submit for review. After this, Shopify will automatically create a product catalog inside your business manager. This catalog is important because Facebook uses it to show your products on Instagram Shop and Facebook Shop, create dynamic ads, and personalize product recommendations based on customer behavior. To publish products on Instagram or Facebook Shop, click Publish Products, or go to the Settings section where you can connect your Facebook page and Instagram account. Now go to business.facebook.com and open your business portfolio. Click Settings, then under Data Sources, choose Catalog. Here, you'll see the catalog created by Shopify. Click Open in Commerce Manager. Inside Commerce Manager, you'll see all your Shopify products. If updates take time to appear, don't worry. Sometimes Facebook needs a few minutes to sync. From this point forward, any updates you make in Shopify, new products added, price or inventory changes, will all update automatically inside Facebook's catalog. Now you can use this catalog to create Advantage Plus catalog ads, one of the most effective ad formats for e-commerce growth. And that's it. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to create Advantage Plus catalog ads using this catalog. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more step-by-step guides on digital marketing, Google, and Meta ads. See you in the next video.